Hey guys, today we're going to make a s'mores pie, almost until for the National S'mores Day every August 10th. The first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven needs to be nice and hot. You're going to take either an 8 or 9-inch pie pan. You're going to spray it with non-stick cooking spray and just set it aside. I'm going to use the one for the aluminum because that one is going to bake faster. So I'm going to start by making for the Graham Cracker Crust. You're going to take about 9 or 10. I'm going to try with the honey graham crackers. I have to see you're going to measure about 1 and 4 cups of the Graham Cracker Crumbs. So the food processor will make it a lot faster. If you want to use a resealable plastic baggie with the rolling pin, just crush it and put the lid on. And we're just going to crush this until it's nice and ground. There we go. You see that has nice and really ground on the graham crackers. Once the graham crackers is already ground over, let's put this into a medium bowl. I'm just going to sprinkle 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Just dissolve inside of the graham crackers. And I'm going to pour 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And just going to keep stir it, really incorporate it, just to get it turned into a moist, wet sand. And just a coarse wet sand, you're going to pour this graham cracker combos, goes right into the prepared pie pan. Just going to go and press it down with using a bag and a spoon. You can also try with the rubber spatula, or either way for the measuring cup. Or you can also use your hands as well. Just want to make sure to pack it really evenly. Just tighten up. All pressed together into the pie pan has been prepared. We're going to put this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And we're going to move on for the rest of the ingredients. While we're waiting for the crust is going to be in the oven, we're going to do for the layer of the chocolate ganache. In a large microwavable safe bowl, I'm going to put 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to use the one with the miniature one. I'm also going to follow by 2 tablespoons of salted butter. These ones have been already enough softened. I'm also going to pour 3/4 cup of heavy cream. And we're going to microwave for 1 minute until the chocolate and butter will melt and the cream will be nice and hot. When it's after 1 minute in the microwave, I just took it out. You're just going to stir this around slowly. Then I'm going to use it with a wire whisk. Just want to get the chocolate and the butter and the cream is going to be nice and glossy. Just keep it nice and shine. We're almost getting there. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm going to add a room temperature 1 large egg. Just want to keep going. As you may know, this will make a really nice and glossy and shiny ganache. I think that looks just perfect. Here you go guys, back to the Graham Cracker Crust. When it's after 8 to 10 minutes, you're going to take it out of your oven like I've done before. And you're just going to set this aside keep it slightly warm to cool it while we're going to do for the chocolate layers. I've done this for beautifully chocolate ganache. You can see it's almost getting slightly warm onto the crust. I'm going to do it by hurry and as well as I do. Now you can go ahead and just pour it of the ganache has been already onto the crust with the graham cracker. And you're going to return it back in the oven secondly for 20 minutes. You want to make sure to wear oven mitt while the pan is still hot. I just want to show you give you guys a close up. Instead of 20 minutes, I put like 30 minutes. I return it back for 10 more minutes and it was still jiggled. I'm just want to keep an eye on it for the chocolate layers will be on set. Alright, now after it's about 30 minutes, secondly, you're going to take it out of the oven. You're going to put it on a wire rack. Now the last ingredients, we're going to use those jet puff marshmallows, which either the larger with the puff one, or either way for the miniature. I'm going to try with the larger one, because it's nice and fluff. I'm going to quickly arrange the marshmallows right on top of the chocolate ganache has been already baked. So you got to make sure the marshmallow will be fit together right on top, just right ahead. just arrange it for the marshmallows right on top of the chocolate layers. We're going to return it back in the oven one more time for 3 to 5 minutes because that allows the marshmallow will slightly toast it on top. Now you just want to make sure to watch the marshmallow carefully in the oven. So once again, make sure to wear oven mitt while the pan is still hot. Here we are. After it's about 3 to 5 minutes, I say about only 5 minutes. So it's already toasting the marshmallows, so you're able to see it. It just pops all the way, overflowing off the pie. I'm sure it's going to be stays over together. Now I just already took it out of the oven and put it back on a wire rack. You want to let the rest of the pie at room temperature for actually 30 minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks, but do not cut it anyway. I'm telling you before, what's going to happen, the marshmallow will be overflowing. After it's just resting for 30 minutes, I just cut it up and just give that a slice. Here's the marshmallows overflowing that's melted over after it might be toasting it. This Graham Cracker crust has been already fall apart. Only Ganache just has set over. Right over here, you can able to see it. There's a chocolate layers has set over with Ganache right underneath the marshmallows. And the graham crackers just has been peeled off. But anyway, here you go. Here is the finished s'mores pies. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below. You want to say something? Make sure to view always watch before sharings. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. I hope you gave me much a happy campaign. Almost until for the National S'mores Day every August 10th. Enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.